Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to log in your slave machine in the Mac OS. If you are using the Mac OS user, then you can watch this video. In the Ansible configuration, you will be login with your slave machines from your master machine. So for that, you have to use, if you are using on Windows, then you will use a agent. If you are using the Mac OS, it is a different concept. So that's what we are going to see. If you are a Mac OS user, then you can watch this video. It will be useful for you. So let's see how we can do this. For that, you have to copy your PEM key in the master machine. You can create this one using the touch command Ansible _key.pem. Once you created, you can log into your VI editor and then you can paste your key here like this. So once you done this, next you have to change the user permission to read mode only. So for that, you need to use command chmod 400 with your key name. Once you done, you will get only a read mode. So it should be like this, then only you can able to execute this one. Next, you need your slave machine IP. So here is my slave machine. Yeah, so this is my slave machine. So if you are using your Windows, if you are using with your AWS console, you can copy from there. Else you can see your IP of your slave machine using this command IP address. So this is my slave machine IP address. So this should be required. Once you are done with this, you need to add your key to SSH. This key need to be add SSH. For that, we are going to use command. We going to activate the SSH agent. You can do the same thing in your master machine. So once you're done, you can see SSH agent is started and SSH-add with your key name. This is my key name. So now I added my key. It should be like this, and you can check SSH-add-L. You can see now we added this key to our SSH agent. We can log in our slave machine within this machine itself. So we can do the same thing from master machine. You can do this SSH, and your if you are using the Linux OS, then you can use for EC2 user. Else if you are Ubuntu, you can use as a username and with your slave machine's IP. In my case, the slave machine IP is here. Paste. And once you entered, you can see I logged into my managed node. Before it was a master node. So now I logged into my which is my slave node. So here you can see the IP of my slave machine. Like this, you can log into your slave machine using SSH agent. I hope this video is useful. If you find this video is useful, then give like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.